Since the pandemic began more than 2 years ago, federal student loan repayments have been put on hold.
Yeah, but now millions of people are scheduled to start repaying them in a few weeks. Our Lauren Edwards joins us live in studio with more on what's to come. Lauren, a lot of people anxious about this.
Josh, I am one of them. You know, student loans are such a nuisance. I can go on and on about them on a soapbox, and the relief has been so great. It's helped out my pockets. I'm assuming that it's helped out yours, and it's something that so many people really want to extend. But right now, many of us are just waiting on edge to see what happens in Washington, to see if it will be extended.
We're expecting, sort of the word around the campfire is that sometime by the end of July or early August, there'll be some sort of statement
on student loans, whether the pause on repayments continues or repayments begin, or if the student loan forgiveness will be implemented, says Michael Kitchen of Student Loan Hero.
The $50,000 amount is probably a real long shot. In terms of $10,000, this was something Joe Biden talked about as a candidate. There is a lot of support for it.
So there's been a lot of debate that there's going to be an executive order and what that executive order is going to say.
But no matter what happens, student loan expert Mary Jo Terry says check your studentaid.gov account now.
You have to log in. And over the last 2.5 years, there have been changes to your loan servicers. So for instance, Navient's dropped out and some others have come in.
She says this will give you a better idea of what your monthly payments will be if repayments begin soon.
The second step is in preparation for, do we go back to student loans? Do we not go back to student loans? I would see if you're on auto debit because you get a 0.25% interest rate discount.
She says with inflation sky high right now, every dollar counts. So help yourself where you can. And if possible, make payments now.
So if you decide to make payments right now, every dollar comes off your principal balance. So that means you could be cutting months up to years off of your loans by making payments right now.
They say it's okay if you can't, but you may want to consider looking into the income-driven repayment plan. It'll make your monthly payments affordable. But as of right now, they say they don't know what path Biden will take.
Really hard to say which way they're going to go. We hear stories every day like, oh, it'll be this or it'll be that. But hard to say at this point.
Now, they also talked about private loans. They say, for borrowers who took out private loans, which is me as well. I'm so embarrassed, y'all. They say it's okay to refinance, but they also gave tons of other advice. And you can find all of that on fox17online.com or clicking on our mobile app. Reporting live here in studio, Lauren Edwards, Fox 17 News.